Hey everyone, this is my 2002 CBR 600 F4i. I'm making this video just for anybody that's thinking about getting the Two Brothers exhaust system for their bike. I thought I'd give you a little sound clip. If you hear anything that sounds amiss or see anything that doesn't seem right, or you just got any questions or comments, let me know. Anyways, let's get this sound going. And that's that. Again, if you heard anything that didn't sound right, let me know so I can get that checked out. But yeah, anyways, that's the Two Brothers Racing exhaust, the carbon fiber canister or whatever, if for anybody that's thinking about getting it. Sounds pretty good to me, nice and deep. That's about it. Take it easy.